You ready?
No. What are we doing?
We decided last minute to hike the, don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Dalrymple Gap walking track. So it is just, I think it's just over 10 k's each way.
Yeah. 6 hours one way, it says. But we'll see how we go. So,
and it says that the track is for fit and experienced walkers only. So,
and we're neither of those. So our bags are fully loaded up. We've thought, let's just do it as hard as we can. This is good training for us. So we're sleeping in the bush tonight. We've got our hammocks again, and yeah, it's so heavy. But we found walking sticks. So, and the first creek crossing is right here. There's 33 creek crossings apparently
each day,
each way. So, yeah, varying depths from your ankle to your waist. So let's see how we go.
I don't want to take my boots off yet.
All right, let's find a place to cross this creek, hey?
Yeah. I think this is where it's meant to get steep and slippery. That does not show how steep that is. And I'm not finished. Jamie is already probably at the top because he doesn't know how to wait. How cool is this? There's meant to be cat paw prints. Cat paw prints. So it's like Jurassic Park in here.
It's insane.
So Jamie's boot is half stuffed. So we're trying to figure out if we are actually going to continue the hike or maybe if we'll camp by a creek and not go the entire way.
I think we're going to make it. We'll be right. I got duct tape. Duct tape fixes everything.
That is going to be an awful walk back tomorrow if he has a massive hole in his heel from where the steel is coming through. I guess we need to invest in some hiking boots.
And the old Oliver steel toe caps on, cut out for the job.
Just the biggest root system ever. These trees are amazing. How you feeling?
I'm alright.
How's your foot?
Yes. Like little apples.
Maybe don't touch them. Nice. So many mulsies.
Yeah. Rock.
I jumped. Jamie's foot's now gone numb.
She'll be right.
She'll be right.
I said she'll be right, so that means everything is fine. Maybe it's a seed of some sort.
I think so.
Couple of dice.
So I think we're about halfway. So we're 6k in to the 10k journey. Pretty stuffed.
It's a
Mozzie
beast of a
Central
walk.
still.
Beast of a hike.
It is a beast. I can't wait to set up camp, make a coffee, make some food. But we're not really going to stop and rest because we're terrified that it will be dark by the time we find our camp spot if we do. Hey,
Yeah, that would not be ideal.
not at all.
But it's fun as hell.
It is fun. I like it.
I've seen so many plants I've never seen before, and fungi, and
But what about,
it's just awesome.
look at the, I don't know
Yeah,
how
there's
well
a
it shows.
vine.
Yeah,
Holding up a tree branch over there.
it's so cool. Another creek crossing.
Yeah, let's do it.
We were actually trying to count the creek crossings because apparently there's 33 is what someone wrote recently on one of the Facebook groups I'm in, but yeah, we have totally not kept count, have we?
What are you going back for? You forgot your stick. Our boots got wet, so now we're all in. Soggy boots. That's gonna be fun tomorrow. Can't leave your stick behind. Adventurer. Let's go, we're nearly there. 3Ks.
Well, we made it.
We did.
There you are.
Beast of a hike.
I nearly stacked it, I didn't know, in the creek.
Feel a little mozzie bite under your
Oh,
eye.
I'm covered in mozzie bites.
But yeah, this campsite's a bit uninspiring, so shall we go find a place by the creek?
Absolutely. It's 2:20.
2:20.
Took us 4 hours and 20 minutes
Yeah.
to hike 10k.
Not bad.
4 hours and 20 minutes. That's actually really good. It says allow 5 to 6.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
Let's
And
go
with,
find a
what,
creek.
16 kilos on our back?
Oh, it's so heavy. We've stacked it a few times. which is
Hey,
alright.
no, I nearly did. You stacked it, I nearly
Oh, I stacked it in the creek. That's okay.
did. Yeah, let's go find a campsite.
Let's go find a campsite. We'll check back in. Watch this space.
Now we're at the first crossing to go back and find a nice creek to stay at. I don't think we showed this creek before. It is really nice, but it's really mozzie as well. Really mozzie. So we have our campsite right here. Well, we have our clothesline, backpacks, and the hammocks. And the view's pretty good. I think there could be like a little waterfall or something down here. Oh my god, my legs are killing me. So we're here, we're eating our food. Hammocks are done. We are absolutely stuffed. Well, that's probably us for tonight. We are absolutely exhausted and we're going to jump in the cold water and then go to sleep. I'm hoping he wakes up first and makes breakfast. Breakfast is in coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Coffee.
Hey?
You still like the swag?
Yeah. We hammock.
Yeah, I keep calling it a swag, the hammock.
Something needs to change about it though. But I do like it.
I think it's just the warmest sleeping bag and you'd be fine.
Yeah.
I felt like I only woke up because I was cold.
Yeah. Maybe.
How's your coffee?
It was good.
Are you to walk that 9Ks?
Oh. I'm tired and sore. But yeah, I guess we have to. There's no other option.
At least the car's on that side.
Yeah. We're walking to the car and the couch and a hot shower. So that's fine. Awesome spot though. So nice.
We're starting the journey home.
Yeah, happy little camper.
I'm a happy little camper. I have my coffee.
Goodbye, camp spot.
It was an awesome camp spot.
You were awesome. Go near a creek, go near dinner.
So we actually fell in before. Not full fall in, just like your leg went in when you're trying to balance on the rocks.
Nice and cold.
Yeah. Boots are heavy through water. Okay. Very steep.
Doesn't show on camera.
Nah, of course it won't. It's literally like Jamie is standing probably 2 meters ahead of me, and it's that steep that my head would be level with his knees.
And we got wet boots.
Oh, I'm getting clapped by mozzies.
Let's go, get a move on.
Oh.
Easy.
Piss, mate.
Oh, that was tough coming back. We're at the top elevation right now. So it's all should be all downhill from here. But that was absolutely punishing.
And Jamie's upset because he ate all of his lollies yesterday.
I ate them all yesterday because I'm a fat pig.
And I made mine last, and now he's calling me selfish for only giving him one when I have one.
You're supposed to share our lollies. They're our lollies, not your lollies.
Hang on, so they were your lollies that you ate yesterday because I had none of them. But my lollies are our lollies?
Yeah. We've been married for 7 years, so they're our lollies.
Then why didn't I get any of our lollies yesterday?
You weren't hungry for lollies yesterday.
We're nearly there.
We're nearly there. We might just roll down this hill.
God damn, this hill's steep.
Jesus.
I can't believe we came up here
Oh my god, no wonder I wanted to die at the top.
with an extra 3 kilos on our packs yesterday too. Is this it? We're done. Oh, the last creek. Oh. Do you remember when we started and we were so careful not to get our boots wet? Now we're just like, let us in. Let's leave these sticks for people.
That was awesome. Highly recommended. If you're into that kind of thing. Well, we're back in the car. It's 11:30, so we smashed that out in 2.5 hours.
I'm absolutely stuffed.
Yeah.
My feet are aching. So worth it though. All the creeks were really good.
Yeah.
Little waterfalls everywhere.
Dalrymple Creek walking track.
I'm
10Ks.
absolutely stuffed.
Nikki's dying. And yeah, that's us. We'll see you next week. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel because there's heaps of people watching that aren't subscribed, and it would be really cool if you could do that.
So just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Or do what you want. Whatever. Who cares?
Whatever. Just
Don't
be your
do
own
it.
person.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.